hey guys, I came back again, and today we have another exciting day ahead. And today I came for skiing actually. So we came to Onaswari Ski Resort, and it is located in Onaswari Hill. And from this hill you can see all the Rovaniemi city. So let's go and enjoy this skiing. So 1 hour, 3 hour, one whole day. 1 hour is 22 euro. 3 hour is 36 euro, and then 39 for almost 40 for whole day. And they also is going to provide the necessary things. So things are here. Before that we are going to fill some information. So Ram is filling the information. Ram, what you are filling?
Just to rent the equipments, we have to just give in how many members, and then you have to select which equipment you are looking for, and then after this we have to select how many hours you are going to do.
Okay, we have done our registration. Now we are going to get our equipment. So these are the equipments here. Shoes.
Hey,
Hi.
Morning.
so you make booking for the equipment?
Yeah, book. Yeah,
Ram
Ram Kumar. Yes, it is.
2 persons
Yes.
and 1 hour.
So guys, now we have done the skiing, and we were in the beginners area. We were not in the expert area. So in beginners area, like all the beginners who actually don't know anything about skiing, they do go and do their exercise. Basically, I would suggest, after doing this skiing, I would suggest to have the training session first, and then you go and try skiing. Otherwise, like, you will be able to enjoy it because this is a new experience for you, but like, you may fall down multiple times. You don't know how to do it some step properly. So it is suggested to have the trainer, and then you go for the skiing. So for us, we did not have the trainer, so we went by our own self. So we did quite okay as a beginner. This is first time I tried it, and I fell down multiple times, but again, it's a part of learning. So I'm planning to learn more on the Helsinki, but here this is the final, and now we have done, and we are going for have some food. Here also we have some restaurant, and so I'm going to have something, and then we will go and explore some hill area. So hi guys, now I'm the Onaswara mountain hill actually. So this place is basically located to the very near to Rovaniemi city center, and near to this Onaswari mountain, basically you will get all the skiing center who teaches you skiing, who provide these skiing facilities. Okay, like this, if you are able to see, these are located here. And so what is the advantage of this place is that you can see whole Rovaniemi city from this place. So guys, this is the place, this is top mountain place, like from where you can see this whole city. And right now advantage is that we have sun up and it's looking like awesome. Let's enjoy with me. And yeah. So hi guys, we are going for one last adventure of this trip, and that is Aurora hunting. And I got just a notification from Aurora app that there is a chance between 10:30 to 11 where we can see the Aurora. So now I'm going to that frozen lake which I have showed you in my previous vlog. So hi guys, we went in that frozen lake and we were able to see the Aurora. And guys, this was our last adventure and it was very exciting. Alone, nobody was there, and only me and Ram was there, and we were clicking the photo of Aurora. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and please like and share.